Why do millions dream about becoming a millionaire, yet so few ever make it? At first, $1 million feels so far away that most people never even begin. The truth is simple. Every millionaire started much closer to zero than to 1 million. The biggest mistake is focusing on the lifestyle before building the wealth. Almost every self-made millionaire follows the same 4-part formula. Most people spend first and save whatever remains, which is usually nothing. Future millionaires reverse the process. They save first and spend second. Your first investment may look tiny, but every fortune starts exactly this way. Wealth grows slowly at first, which is why most people quit too early. The secret ingredient is not money. The secret ingredient is time. Most people fail to become millionaires because they choose comfort over long-term growth. The higher their income becomes, the faster their lifestyle expands. One of the biggest enemies of wealth is a habit called lifestyle inflation. The wealthy often buy future cash flow, while others buy temporary status. Many people look rich online while quietly struggling financially in real life. Comparison keeps people chasing appearances instead of building actual wealth. The perfect moment rarely arrives, but lost years never come back. Every year you delay investing is a year compound growth disappears forever. The gap between rich and poor is often created by thousands of small decisions. If $1 million is your goal, your next step is increasing your earning power. Most people try to earn more by working harder. Wealthy people focus on becoming more valuable. Your income is usually a reflection of the value you bring to the marketplace. The highest paid people often master skills that help other people solve important problems. If your skills stay the same for years, your income often follows the same pattern. The investment with the highest return is often the investment you make in yourself. Knowledge alone creates little value. Applied knowledge changes financial lives. Every valuable skill you acquire becomes another engine pushing your income higher. The bigger the problem you can solve, the bigger the reward the market may offer. Skills open doors that hard work alone can never unlock. A strong income engine makes the journey to your first million dramatically easier. Most people don't lose wealth from one big mistake. They lose it through hundreds of small ones. Small expenses feel harmless today, but over decades, they can cost a fortune. Millionaires learn to distinguish between what they want now and what they want most. The easiest way to save money is to remove the temptation to spend it. Every dollar you spend is a trade between today's pleasure and tomorrow's freedom. Many purchases lose value immediately. Investments can gain value for decades. You don't need to sacrifice everything. You only need to eliminate what adds little value. Before building wealth, smart people first build protection. Your savings rate often has a bigger impact than your income level. Income creates opportunity, savings create capital, and capital creates wealth. This is where most future millionaires separate themselves from everyone else. The early years of investing are often the most boring and the most important. Compound growth works like a snowball. Small at first, powerful later. Most wealth is created near the end of the journey, not at the beginning. When it comes to investing, time often matters more than the amount invested. The secret isn't timing the market. The secret is staying in the market. Consistency beats prediction far more often than most people realize. Every millionaire investor learns that temporary fear is not the same as permanent loss. The magic of compounding begins when your money starts earning money for itself. Investing turns savings into wealth, and compound growth turns wealth into millions. Before building serious wealth, you must stop the forces pulling your money in the wrong direction. High-interest debt quietly steals wealth long before you ever notice it. Many people think they're making progress when they're actually standing still. Interest can work for you through investing or against you through debt. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that cannot build your future. The path out of debt begins the moment you face the numbers honestly. Small victories create confidence, and confidence creates progress. Debt freedom doesn't make you rich overnight, but it gives wealth room to grow. The moment debt stops consuming your income, wealth creation can accelerate. Now that the traps are behind you, it's time to focus on acquiring assets. The rich focus on buying assets. Everyone else often focuses on buying liabilities. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out. When you own assets, your money begins working even while you sleep. Assets can generate income long after the original work is finished. The same income can create completely different futures depending on your choices. Assets don't just create wealth. They create financial security. The goal is to build income that doesn't depend entirely on your time. Every asset you buy moves you closer to freedom. Every liability delays it. Once assets are working for you, the next step is creating multiple sources of income.